nice.
Yeah.
I love this. Maybe I will print the big one, this, and then put. We're secluded because we're island, and you could see when we go to some schools, the status of some of the students. Some of them they only have two T-shirt, changing from because they don't have something to buy with it. We only live once. The reason why is
That is you are saying.
we.
You know which bag came the last? It's my bag. There it is there. Isn't it funny? It came the last. And I want to tell you that in the Philippines, this is free. So right here at Ninoy Aquino International Airport, then we'll go to see the guy in Iraq, Catanduanes. And after that, we will know. His name is Papadan. He's a police, he's a nurse. He does a lot of things, so we will know better. Philippines. It has been said that no one is prophet in his own country. In the region of Bicol live this guy, and that is in the island of Catanduanes, which many know as Happy Island. Why he does this? He's known as a Papadan. He's becoming very active in sharing kindness by sacrificing himself in so many activities of Catanduanes. I'm meeting Papa Dan. He's there with this car here. I'm so glad to meet him. He's a humanitarian and a police guy. He does a lot of things here. People know him. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Finally, when his initiative, they built 39 houses, and you know this area will be one of the major victims of typhoons.
Yeah.
So people, you can build a house today and lose it tomorrow. It happened because of the weather. So that's how actually I found him. That's how I found him, because he has this initiative of doing his best to make sure that those who lost the house, they can find somewhere to live again. So that's really good. So were you born here?
Yes, I'm from here.
You're from here?
But in the north area, in Pandan, we're going to travel almost 2 hours or almost 100 kilometers. Pandan.
If possible, I'm planning to go there. And I saw they have even some festivals there. Yeah. I'm planning to go there. Yeah. They say it is the farthest city. Going north. Yeah. That's really cool.
Print also some of that.
So I made a t-shirt just to dedicate to the work you do.
Thank you so much. And you know, we are really very lucky that you're visiting our island. And you know, this island is, as we know, people are not that much. Many people are poor, and we're secluded because we're island, and you could see when we go to some schools, the status of some of the students. Some of them they only have two T-shirt, changing from because they don't have something to buy with it.
Yeah.
They don't have. Some of them are just the salary or the income of the parents are only good for the food.
Yeah, that's true.
That's why we are very thankful that you've visited this island. And I know one of the student from Bato told me that you also visited, and you give food in one community.
Yes, in San Miguel.
Ah, nice.
That's where Ariane and Aneka lives, at their house. Yeah, I put your word there. The one you say. I did it myself.
Nice. You're good. You know
yeah,
what?
I ordered online. I designed and ordered online the printing. Then I hit press myself at home.
That's the reason why I am doing this, because I have the capacity to call for help for some other people. I am the bridge for them.
Yeah,
actually,
that's right.
what I am doing and what I am helping, especially the housing project, is not came from me alone. I am only the bridge, I told you, and I am the one organizing.
We're gonna have a breakfast right here in his house, and ready to start the day with this great breakfast. Yeah. You have tuna, you have lobster,
Octopus.
and Is this it is a lobster, right?
Lobster.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then octopus.
Yeah, this is an octopus. Yeah. Wow. A lot of fruit. A lot of fruit. Oh my goodness. That's really cool.
We only live once. The reason why is
That is you are saying.
we only have one time living here in the
That's true. That's true.
Switzerland, and
Yes, that's true.
we cannot bring anything.
No,
Yeah.
not at all. Everything will be left here.
Yeah.
I'm so glad. Wow.
Oh, nice. It's so nice. I like that.
and I brought a couple, so you can use whatever you want. So,
Nice.
yeah.
I love this. Maybe I will print a big one of this and then put.
You know, I don't know when the last time I ate lobster, because in America, lobster, not everyone. They will give you a small piece in a sandwich for $30. But here in Catanduanes, Virac, so it's so flaky and fresh from the lake. Look at that there. And of course, Papa Dan is eating rice. You know, rice is life here in the Philippines. That's what they say.
This is Philippines.
Yeah, that's really good. Just gonna try this.
Thank you, Tia.
She's bringing more fruit there. At least she knows that I love fruit. And this is tuna here.
This is blue marlin.
Oh, the blue man, not tuna?
No.
Oh. It's very hard to know the difference. And this is amazing. And there is octopus here.
Little
Should
octopus.
Yeah. The first time I ate octopus was in Cebu.
Cebu, yeah?
Yeah, in Lapu-Lapu, yeah. Was the first time. This is the second time. It's so tender. A little bit different from what I ate in Lapu-Lapu. This is so tender.
Maybe because it's still small.
Super, super delicious. Over there. Very cute. I asked Papa Dan, what are we doing today? He said we're gonna do some humanitarian work. And what we're gonna do that is at a school that is known as Bato Rural High School, right outside of Virac.
Siya, tapos if ever na may mga needs pa, inform mo ako so that we could provide some other needs. May mo ko pag-chat, you did not inform me with some of the informations.
Sorry, sir. I just came from the travel. Nakarating ko lang.
Ah,
Sa region, may training po.
okay po. So this is not the last time we will identify the students who really need and you think the father or the family cannot provide to buy them some shoes. You identify and then find the sizes and then we will give priority for those students. But for now, ito muna yung ibibigay natin sa kanila. And yung pagpili ng mga students, ibibigay na po namin sa inyo because you're the one who knows them. Kayo yung... ito 98 eh, itong set na to. Tapos ito nga pala, did you remember the kid with yung walang damit na white? Binila namin siya ng 3 bagong magagandang damit. I think, sa tingin mo, magkasya. Kasi kung hindi magkasya, kasya to. Andyan yan ngayon. Sige. Sige po, sige. Tawagin mo, sige po. Abanti pa. Okay. Name! What's your name? Tingin ka lang dito sa akin. What's your name? Sports. So ha? Sure ka? O sige. Si ma'am muna lang ang i-contact ko. Pag na-provide ko na yung slipper, yung shoes, anong kulay? Black, ma'am? Alam mo sa Legazpi, mga mura man lang yung mga shoes na ano. Ballpen, pa-check yun yung ballpen ha. Next. Okay na lahat. Sino yung walang ballpen? Double check. Oli kayo. Yung mga walang ballpen. Tapos ma'am, maski nakatalikod lang na
Once at school, everything went well. He showed that we live only once. By recreating joy, by recreating unity among himself and the kids who saw him like a parent, like a good friend, like a person who knows that those in need, they need someone close to them. After the materials were distributed to students those in need, in coordination with the school which identified the needy students, we headed back to Villa Catanduanes, and on our way back, that's the time we got the time to ask Papa Dan his motive and why he's doing this. In two words, why you did this? Why you are so unique in Catanduanes in terms of humanitarian? Why?
I don't know. I just feel so. I don't know. I feel so contented. I feel so happy. I don't know. The feeling is very different. Sir, sasabay lang po sa ano?
Masayro lang?
Opo.
Na.
Doing that kind of activity, you know, it is not simple. It's not for us. It's simple that we're doing that, but for the people receiving those small things, for them it's a very big thing. And you know, doing this is, for me, we are giving simple happiness for those persons, for those people receiving those simple gifts.
We ended our journey at Jollibee, where we met other people who volunteer and they sacrifice themselves to help the community. Papa, then what do you think about today?
No.
About yourself? About does it
Oh my
meet
God.
your expectation?
Yeah, and doing that kind of activity, you know, it is not simple. It's not for us. It's simple that we're doing that, but for the people receiving those small things, for them it's a very big thing. And you know, doing this is, for me, we are giving simple happiness for those persons, for those people receiving those simple gifts, and for them to appreciate that. And I hope that many people will, if they have the capacity to help, if they have the capacity to give other people, do it. We only live once again.
That is his slogan. Only live once. That I love that. That is a Papa Dan's slogan. I forgot something to ask you quickly as we are rushing with the time. In two words, why you did this? Why you are so unique in Catanduanes in terms of humanitarian? Why?
I don't know. I just feel so. I don't know. I feel so contented. I feel so happy. I don't know. The feeling is very different.
Yeah, he finished by saying, do the best for yourself and for others. Wow, that's really cool.
Ini po si ano lang Costa.
Unfortunately, I need to go and I will make it more about Papa Dan.